In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have a search bar instead of a search icon in Shopify. We're going to replace that small magnifying glass icon in your header with a full search bar so customers can immediately see where to type. This works directly in your Shopify theme editor and doesn't require any apps. You'll just need the small code snippet that's linked in the video description. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option called Online Store. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to your theme library, where you'll see your current theme listed at the top. Next to that active theme, click on the button that lets you edit or customize the theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually edit your storefront. Inside the theme editor, focus again on the left-hand panel. This is where all your sections are listed. Look for the header section, since that's where your search icon normally lives. Under the header, click Add Section. From the list of available sections, choose Custom Liquid. This section lets you insert small pieces of custom code into your page without editing your theme files directly, which is safer and easier to manage. Once the new Custom Liquid section appears in the list, click on it to open its settings and styling options. At the top of the panel, you'll see a large text box where you can paste code. This is where the search bar code will go. Now, pause the video if you need to, grab the exact code from the link in the description, and paste it into that text box. Make sure you replace the entire placeholder text so only the provided code is inside that field. After you paste the code, look over to the live preview on the right side of the screen. You should now see a full search box appear in your header, and the original search icon should be hidden or removed automatically by the code. You might notice an extra white space or gap below your header because of the new Custom Liquid section. To fix that, stay in the settings for this section and look for the padding controls, usually labeled top padding and bottom padding. Set both of these to 0. Keep an eye on the preview while you adjust them so you can see the header tighten up and the extra space disappear. Once everything looks good and you're happy with how the search bar appears across your header, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. Give it a moment to apply the changes, then refresh your storefront in a new tab to confirm that the search bar is showing exactly the way you want it for your customers.